there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash like a pro. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a face-off between two titans from Anycubic, the Photon Mono M5s and the Kobra 2 Neo. Get ready for a showdown that's more thrilling than your grandma's bingo night. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. The Photon Mono M5s will set you back a cool $559. That's right, folks, you could either get this printer or a lifetime supply of avocado toast. On the other hand, the Kobra 2 Neo is a more wallet-friendly $279. With the money you save, you could buy a second Kobra 2 Neo or maybe a pet llama. You do you. Next, let's talk about speed. The Photon Mono M5s boasts a respectable 105 millimeters per hour. Pretty fast, right? Well, hold onto your socks because the Kobra 2 Neo comes blazing in with a max speed of 250 millimeters per second. That's not just fast, that's I need a seatbelt fast. The Photon Mono M5s is like a well-paced Sunday drive, while the Kobra 2 Neo is more like a drag race with Vin Diesel at the wheel. Okay, speed is great, but what about those sweet, sweet details? The Photon Mono M5s rocks a 12K monochrome LCD screen with an X accuracy of 19 microns. That's finer than a frog's hair, people. The Kobra 2 Neo, while speedy, focuses more on keeping things smooth and stable with its linear propulsion and input shaping functions. So if you're a detail freak, the Photon Mono M5s might just be your new best friend. According to reviews, users love the Photon Mono M5s for its incredible detail, especially useful for intricate models like D&D miniatures. Now, let's see how easy these bad boys are to use. The Photon Mono M5s is like that overachieving kid in class. It's got leveling-free tech and intelligent checks, making sure everything's perfect before you hit print. The Kobra 2 Neo, with its LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling, is no slouch either. It even compensates for Z-axis offset like it's some kind of 3D printing genius. Both are great for newbies, but the Photon Mono M5s might just edge out with its sheer over-preparedness. Reviewers highlight the ease of use and setup for both printers, making them suitable for beginners. Last but not least, let's talk customer support. The Photon Mono M5s doesn't really brag about its support, so let's hope you don't need it. The Kobra 2 Neo, though, comes with a 1-year after-service, along with specific warranties for the print head and heated bed. Plus, you get lifetime technical support. It's like having a 3D printing guardian angel. So if you're prone to breaking things like I am, Kobra 2 Neo's got your back. This sentiment is echoed by reviewers who appreciate the Kobra 2 Neo's robust customer support. Overall, both the Photon Mono M5s and the Kobra 2 Neo have garnered positive reviews. Users praise the Photon Mono M5s for its print quality and ease of use, despite a learning curve and higher price. On the other hand, the Kobra 2 Neo is celebrated for its speed, affordability, and excellent customer support, making it a solid choice for beginners. So there you have it, folks. The Photon Mono M5s and the Kobra 2 Neo both bring something awesome to the table. If you're all about those intricate details, the Photon Mono M5s is your go-to. But if speed and budget are your priorities, the Kobra 2 Neo is your new best friend. Either way, you can't go wrong. Just remember, buy smart and stay fabulous. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. See you next time!